Often we have a problem with disk space, and often it happens with Docker. Docker has its own folder. Here's this PC, disk C, users, your username, AppData Local. Inside this folder we have local folders for applications. Here is Docker folder where we can find VSL, and this is a folder where saved information from VSL. So you probably can see how many space it took. To optimize this, we can open here we can review. So full path, you can see disk and name, Docker data, and extension you should know. So let's open PowerShell as administrator. So I open it. So the next step is to clean that data. I turn off Docker. So now we can reduce space which we shall get. So for this purpose we should use this command. Here is command we shall shutdown, and here you should put path in path full path to your Docker data VHDX. So next we run it and start process. Let's wait. So this process took several minutes. So now we can open folder and review how many space it has now. I reduce space to 19.5 gigabytes from 26 gigabyte. So probably I save 6 gigabyte. So I believe it helped you. Bye.